How to use new Align to Center button in Wix Studio. In order to use it, what we can do is we can head over and then just choose in here an element where it will be actually assigned. I have chosen in here this text, and then after that, click onto this Open Inspector icon that we can see right here. Click onto this design icon, and then from in there, you should be able to see this. So scroll down, and then from in there, you can see this alignment. We have in here the left align, the right align, justify, and in here, we also have in here the center align. So just head over and then use this. And once you have click on it, it should be able to actually change the alignment of the particular element that we have chosen. So since this is a text element, we can align it onto the center using this alignment option. So that's how you use New Align to Center button in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.